Yo, welcome back to the garage. Today, kill switch time. So in an effort to constantly upgrade the security of my fleet, sure, I'm going to install a kill switch on the El Camino. I'm not going to show you where I put the kill switch, but I'll show you how to wire said kill switch. Because, not that I don't trust you, but I don't know you. Here's the kill switch. I'm going to hide it somewhere inside the truck, car, hot rod, Chevelle without a top, Chevelle wagon without a top, and a tailgate. Sure. I'm going to wire it right into, I've already unplugged it. You can see it right there. That comes from the battery, that comes from the starter, which comes from the battery. Goes into the fuse box, sends power to literally everything. So I'm going to put this kill switch in between that. There's nothing in here that's you have to worry about not getting power. Okay, let's start. You see here I got my light. We have juice. Bzz. Try that again. Bzz. See the light? Bzz. Oh, cool. We should have power coming from this. We do. There's no power to that. None. No power. Yes, power. Yes, power. So this will go to our switch. Somewhere in here, I will take the switch inside. You need not know about that. But what I'll do is I'll put everything together out here and I'll hit the switch and we'll see the whole car come to life. So that's how we know it works. All we gotta do is take it inside. You can do this on your car and put it wherever you like. Nobody needs to know where it is, except for you. And people you trust with everything you own. Okay. So we've got all of our terminals terminated, sure. This one will go to the power. This one will go to the fuse box, and that's obviously a ground. So let's get those hooked up. Let's do a little something. Let's go in here. I'll show you this car's got zero power to anything. Okay. Inside the car. Wrong key. It's cool. Used to be that key, it's not that key anymore, I changed it. Right there you go. There you go. Come on, camera. Right. Zero. Gauges aren't moving. Nothing. Okay. We'll plug in a little wiring harness here. I'll just clamp it to the negative side of the battery for now. For ground. Stick with me. Grounded. Power coming from power. Power lead from the switch going back into the fuse box. Those wires heavy enough. Is that gonna be enough? I'm gonna have to rethink this. Power. Let's go see what happens if we put the key in now. Oh, hey, nice finger. Sorry. Might be important to reconnect that. Stick with me. Let me bring you back up here. Okay. Oh, we got power. Things are happening. Okay. Now we got power. Kill switch installed. Now I'm going to hide it in here somewhere. I got a power port right there. Watch. There we go. It's my USB port for my phone. GPS or whatever. Got to build a little plate there. A little plate there. Oh, time to throw that away. That's disintegrated into powder. Okay, we have power. That's great. Good news. Now I'm going to hide this in there. There we have it. Going back into the car. I went through that loom and over through there. I'll zip tie that together, make it look tidy. Maybe put a little, I think I want to put heavier gauge wire on there though, so it's going to be very temporary. I don't want to, burn my car down. That's like, and that's, and of course I used white on both wires because that way nobody knows. Nobody's the wiser, except for me. So that's how we install a kill switch. Pretty simple, especially on an older car like this. But you just gotta hide the switch well, so would be less than honest people won't take your stuff without quite the effort. Somebody really knows cars, they could probably get around that pretty quick, but somebody who doesn't know cars could probably get around that pretty quick. Let's be honest. And I'm gonna hide the switch in here, and then yeah, thanks for watching Iron Triangle Garage. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Stuff and things, do the stuff and the things, and it's free, yeah, okay, see ya.